Hey y'all, look, Clay here. So, it's currently really late at night. In fact, it's almost midnight. I just got back from WWE Raw in Greensboro, so that was pretty fun. I thought maybe before I went to bed, I'd show you guys my shirt real quick. And then, so, this basically, I think this is the front of it. It says RK Bro. This is from Matt Riddle. Sorry if you guys can hear me very well. I just don't want to wake up my mom. So I'm at my parents' house, as you can see. And then here's the backside of it. But yeah, anyway, got gym tomorrow, so that's gonna be fun. And I think I got some stuff I gotta do. I'm gonna try to do, and hopefully it'll go well. If you're new here, my name is Lil Quickly, and I have African autism. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy this video. So it's the next morning. I'm just starting my breakfast. I was gonna make eggs, but first batch turned out like this because I was told, there's this little trick where you can use a container to break the eggs, but I was told you were supposed to put water in it. My mom saw you didn't have to, and sure enough, she was right because it ended up turning into some nasty egg smoothie. So I would like to not strangle that guy who said you had to put water in it. And the next batch that didn't heat up all the way, which is weird because the rice cooker my mom has, it's a different rice cooker, but it's the same brand as mine. I mean, this one you can adjust the time. Mine you can adjust the time. This one you just have to keep hitting the steam button, but I'm not really sure what the deal is. I don't know if mine heats up. If mine gets hotter than hers, or maybe I have to hit something else on that one. I'm not really sure, but let's try again. I mean, I forgot to check the second ones too to make sure they were good anyway. So it's probably my bad. And now I can't find my coffee. I'm starting to wonder if my mom took it by accident. Or did I drink it all? One of the two, I'm not sure. See, she did. Oh yeah, I see it. Here it is, y'all. My copy's in the living room. Oh, I drink. Oh, it's like so much in there. My dad done drank it all. The egg. But yeah. Day after wrestling, I slept till like 8:30, mainly because I'm not at my house and I don't have to get ready for somebody to pick me up, I don't have a lot of stuff that I need to do, so I do wish it was like that at my home, It's just hard when you have to ride with somebody, but I get through it. Yo, I don't know what the deal is with my contacts, but for some reason, always at least one of my eye burns after I put one in. Today it's my right eye. I've tried doing it with or without eye drops. I don't know if I'm not using them often enough or what the deal is, but it's getting kind of annoying. Because I do not want to have to go back to wearing eyeglasses full time, because I really didn't like wearing glasses from the start. No. Alright, so we about to head to Wendy's. That workout was hard. We had to do about 100 of each thing. We had to do deadlifts, can't remember what it was called. RDLs. Whatever it's called with the dumbbells.
Dumbbell snatches.
Oh yeah, snatches. I got hit in the face by these big balls. We had to do wall toss, I think is what she calls it. Had on my lip and on my face. And the blood got in my retainer. I thought, okay, I'm definitely gonna need me a cigar when I get home. Like, shut up. This fool tried to kill me on the road. I was just playing with him and he lets go of the steering wheel.
What I care for?
Shut up, white boy.
Yeah, y'all locked out now. I ain't going to Wendy's.
Look at this. Look at this one. Act like he got muscles with a muscle shirt. He ain't even exercise.
Actually,
the little underarm
I don't
boy.
care. I don't care.
Hey, I'm just picking, bud.
Blah, blah, blah,
Yeah. Whatever. Yep.
blah, blah.
You know you can't do this. Nope. Nope. How are you stronger than me? Mind your business. I'm the oldest. You don't tell me what to do.
I'm stronger than you.
Mind your business, little kid. Yeah, don't let this guy drive.
You the one that grabbed the steering wheel?
I did not grab the steering. I did not grab the steering wheel. I was there. I accidentally tapped it, and he decides to let go of the steering wheel and getting someone to drive. He didn't even give me a heads up, like, okay, you're gonna have to turn, make sure you get in the lane, you know.
I don't need to.
And I'm gonna try and talk to me and his old driving instructor, Mr. George Matiers, I think that's how you say his name. If he's watching this, I want to get some more lessons with him. And now I will stop this clip before he starts the music and copyrights me.
What's up? Oh.
So we just got done eating. They got these two little books in there, meals, and then they forgot my spicy nuggets, but they gave me extra fries. I forgot these guys pickles too. Once they actually beat my brother at eating, normally it'd be good. Who would take forever to eat, but now it's my brother. Alright, so, you can tell my hair's a little messed up. That's just because after my brothers left, I went ahead and hit the shower since I went to the gym. And I, realized I left my bag in my brother's car. So, but he's gonna give it back to me around 4 o'clock. You know, I'm about to go outside and have me a good old stogie. And then I'm gonna try and see if I can take some stuff out from under my bed. And I don't think I'll be able to, though. Find out. Alright, y'all, so show you guys what I planned on taking out of the of my bed here. If y'all can see, it's a little dark. There's just some old books and stuff that my mom left here, and I'm gonna think I might give them to my brother when he comes to give me my book bag and see if he can just bring them to her house, just so I can put. There's a bin out of the closet that I want to take out of there and put it under my bed, and then I want to try and organize the bed, use it as my little storage area. And I want to move possibly either my shop vac, my little red shop vac in here, or better yet, my shoe case, my shoe shelf. I'm not really sure which one, but we'll see. I just got a weather alert a couple hours ago. It might be a strong thunderstorm. Hopefully, if it is, it'll be a severe thunderstorm. And hopefully, if it is a severe thunderstorm, that we'll get some footage compared to the last time I tried to film when it was just wind. I know you guys probably weren't excited about that. I know that vlog was mainly about the final compartment of the season, but still, I want to get y'all some good footage of the storm. especially since most of the summer I won't really be here. I'll be in Mississippi and I'll be at camp. And this month I'll be in Mississippi. Next month I'll be at camp. So I'll wipe the lens off for y'all. But see, the wind sort of went away. Zoom in a bit for you guys. So we shall see. Hopefully the won't get too nasty. Definitely find out. See, it's pretty hot today. Grab Cedric. Hey, buddy. One thing I have struggled with is weeding, just because it's really hot. I might do it though before I leave. So Chris won't have to do it. Alright, so I just checked my budget. Did a little budgeting, and it looks like I'll be good until tomorrow. I have this app that I'll be showing you guys in the next work vlog. Yeah. So let's go ahead and head down to the Olympic and see what I'll get this time. So I thought I'd show you guys what's been going on with the construction here, and it looks like, I forgot what my Meemaw said these are called, but they got those out now. It looks like they're just pushing dirt again, so it looks like we're partially back to square one. Just making sure keeping my eye out for any vehicles, but you know, pretty excited. So yeah, hopefully they'll get these apartments built now to deal with this construction anymore. On my way to the Olympic. Let's see what I'll order this time. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Hi, how are you?
Good.
Good. What kind of...
Okay, let's see. What do I want, y'all? What does little Clay Clay want to eat today? Medium salad. Some salad. Veal parmesan. What's this? What is veal parmesan?
Do you know what you want?
Do you know what the veal parmesan? What's in there? I've never heard of it before.
A veal? So I think it's a baby cow patty, and it's just on spaghetti sauce.
Okay.
And they put cheese over it.
Mind if I look over the menu?
Yeah, of course.
Sure. Yeah. Probably won't get that just because I want to kill baby cows. I can't eat baby cows, but something a bit more exquisite, you know? definitely gonna get. Let's get the big spaghetti, that's what I'll get. Alright y'all, so before I end this vlog, I want to show you a couple things that I purchased from Walmart. Just went to Walmart a few minutes ago with my roommate. The first thing I purchased was this Focus on HDMI multi-connector cable, so I can use this to connect my camera to my laptop when I'm doing vlogs or live streams. So that way I'll be able to, well, not that way, because I could connect this to my ring light without vlogging, but this will be good for when I can use it for streams, so then I don't have to use my webcam anymore. I have Twitch, and that's where I do my streams on. If I can, I'll try to share it on my YouTube channel, share the stream, but if I don't, too bad, so sad. But my Twitch account is lil_clay_clay_clay. I will try to change it, but for now it's just how it is. If you guys want to follow me, I'll do Twitch streams when I can, even though you're probably watching this after I haven't fully been able to do Twitch live streams. It's just hard because I have other stuff out of the internet that I have to do that are a bit more important than this. I also purchased, let's see, where's it at, this smoke detector for my parents to put in my brother Nasir's room, because if you guys don't know, I have a younger brother named Nasir, or Nasir to pronounce it better, and he is deaf, and so he can't hear the fire alarm. He wears cochlears during the day, but obviously he sleeps without them at night. So what's cool about this smoke detector is, as you can see, if you get a closer look for you, it has a light that will flash, so that way if there is a fire, this will go off and the light will flash and it should wake him up. I mean, it's really to help people escape, like through the smoke or whatever, but this does also come in handy for somebody who is deaf and can't hear the fire alarm. So I would highly recommend getting one of these. The brand is First Alert. I bought this at Walmart, but this is the first time in years I've seen one of these with the light at Walmart. So if I were you, I would go ahead and start purchasing them, and if you see one, then I will go ahead and take it if you need it. They do have a bigger one that's a bit more expensive. This is the little one. This one was $14.97. I don't remember how much the big one was, but I knew this one would do just fine. So anyway, with that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys.